Hey everybody, welcome to Bobby Builds It. When I opened the shop today, it was 115 degrees, so I figured, why don't we play with some fire today? I'm sure you've all seen Shou Sugi Ban videos all over the YouTube. I'm going to try that out, but I'm going to burn it just a little bit longer. I don't know how this test is going to work out, but I want it more charred than I normally see on those videos. And I'm going to char it. Then I'm going to spray it with some spar urethane because my end goal is an outdoor project with this. And I'm going to see if spraying that on will keep all the char dust from coming off. Let's stick around. Piece of a 2x4, piece of a 1x4, and then a piece of cedar. I'm gonna burn all three, see if there's any difference in any of that. And I'm using a big weed torch for this. We'll go ahead and spritz it with some water. And let it cool off a minute. I'm just going to wipe them down real good and then spray them. I see one problem for a future project, how bad this piece of 1x4 warped, but that's not what we're testing today. Just trying to get all the loose dust off I can without hurting where it's all, crackled. Okay, all three still had a bit of soot to them. Let's see if spraying the spar urethane actually keeps that from happening. This is what I'm using. I'm going to spray on a coat pretty heavy actually, and then come back and do another one. Let's take a look at our results. I can't remember how much bow this board had in it before I started burning it, that also wasn't what we were testing. I don't know if a harder wood would bow less or not. I just don't know. Let's see if this char stays on though. There's a look at the rag. For the most part, yeah, it did. Let's try this next one. See just a little bit coming off. I don't know what that difference is, if I cleaned that one up better to start with or not. Let's try this last one. See if I can get a clean piece of rag here. There we go. Then a little bit there. But I think with all of these, just wiping them down some beforehand, but not so much that you knock off char. Putting the finish on them, I think you'll be good. This piece here is just another piece I burned. I didn't put any urethane on it at all. And then it got left out in the rain for a couple of days. I took the wire brush to it, and you can see up here that it just took all of the crackle off. So that is not the look I'm going for in these future projects. But let's see how much soot still comes off. A good bit there, and a good bit there. All right, I think that'll wrap up this test to see if keeping that heavy char crackle on there with the urethane will work. And I think it will. If you happen to have any experience with this technique and know of other finishes that might also work or be better, leave it down in the comments. I thank you for watching. Y'all have a good one.